Hey guys, welcome back for another video, and today we're talking all about how to optimize your Amazon Seller Central print-on-demand listings using Placeit. So it goes without saying, but having a high-quality listing is the easiest way to boost conversion rates and turn more shoppers into actual customers for your print-on-demand business. So in this video, we're going to cover a few of the ways that Placeit makes it very, very easy to do this. It's a tool that I've been using over the last couple of months, so make sure you guys watch this video all the way through. So what exactly is Placeit? Well, if you guys haven't heard of Placeit, they're one of the best tools to have in your print-on-demand toolkit. So they have the largest collection of mockups on the internet right now, and they also have added a ton of other stuff like designs for your print-on-demand business and video mockups as well. So you can browse and find a mockup that's perfect for your product, upload a design, and get a professional photo or video mockup in seconds. So guys, in this video, we're gonna cover in the first half how to create lifestyle mockups using Placeit, and we can use these on our product listing to add kind of secondary and tertiary images. Then we're actually gonna go and add these to an Amazon Posts account. And if you guys are not using Amazon Posts, make sure you watch this video because this is one of the best ways to get free traffic to your product listings and steal your competitors' traffic. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to actually take these and add them to your Amazon storefront. Then the second half of the video, we're gonna make a video mockup and we're gonna add that to our listing. I'm gonna show you guys how to add that to your storefront, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use that to launch Amazon video ads, which are still relatively new and crushing it right now. So make sure you guys watch the video all the way through. And as always, links, resources, and timestamps are gonna be down below in the description, as well as a 15% discount on Placeit if you use the link down there. And finally, guys, if you wanna learn more in the meantime about building side hustles or online income, subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, let's go ahead, we're gonna hop right in. Obviously, nailing your listings and images, video, optimization, keywords, etc. is crucial to getting more sales. But the challenge for print-on-demand sellers is if you're expanding to Amazon Seller Central with your print-on-demand products, you're probably relying on the mockups from a production partner like Printful, Printify, or one of the other print-on-demand production partners out there. And the images aren't always exactly what we want. So here are just a couple examples of some print-on-demand sellers that are probably using a production partner. So there's only a couple images here. They're not really that great. Very, very generic. This is not gonna stand out or really do a great job of selling a customer. So this is exactly where Placeit comes in. So with Placeit, we can go from these to something a little bit more like this, where there's multiple lifestyle images in different environments. Maybe they're tailored to our niche, or like this, where they have multiple lifestyle images plus a video on the listing. And the best part of all of this is we never need to buy or take photos of our own products because we're gonna use Placeit for all of this. So guys, the other thing I mentioned at the beginning of this video is with Placeit, the mockups that we create, we can actually repurpose and use those with Amazon Posts, which if you're not using Amazon Posts, this is an amazing free resource to essentially get a ton of free traffic to your product listings and steal traffic from your competitor product listings. So if you guys see here in the example, if you're on a product detail page on mobile, towards the bottom, you're actually gonna see their posts from related brands. So this is a great way for you to show up on your competitor listings and you don't have to pay for these placements. They're just gonna happen based on the product that you're listing and the keywords on that listing. And you can even add custom images and shoppable images with these Placeit mockups to an Amazon storefront, which is just another great way to drive traffic to your listing. So tons of great ways to use the Placeit mockups and posts however you guys want. So using Placeit is extremely fast and easy. So pretty much you go to placeit.net and then you can either search directly from the homepage, can filter by all sorts of different things, or you can go to the mockups dropdown, choose the product that you want to sell, then you quickly filter. So you can filter by the product type, or you can actually filter by things like gender, age, ethnicity, tags, and essentially look for something that you like. Maybe something that suits your niche or something else. Scroll through, find a mockup that you want to use. Then it's as simple as uploading your design, adjusting it, resizing it, and then choosing your product color and downloading the image. So Placeit also has a built-in resizer. So just in case we need to resize the mockup for Amazon, Amazon Posts, Amazon Storefront, or one of the other e-commerce platforms we're selling on, we can do that all right inside of Placeit, crop it, resize it, and download it, and we're good to go. So now that we've downloaded our images, we just need to go ahead and enter Seller Central, find our product listing, and literally drag and drop, upload these, rearrange them however we want. But just like that, we've now added optimized lifestyle imagery to our listing. So guys, remember, if you have a Merch by Amazon account or brand registry, you can actually leverage Amazon Posts to get a ton of free traffic to your product listings. So we can upload that same mockup we've created, add a caption, add the product ASIN here, and then even schedule this post out. And this is going to show up on relevant search terms or relevant products including our competitors. And finally, guys, we can take these custom images or all of these different lifestyle mockups we've created, go to our storefront and create all kinds of different stuff. So we really can do pretty much anything we want, but we can add shoppable images, we can add standard images, images with overlay, we can tag our products in all of these. So really there's a ton that we can do here. We can even create little navigation widgets, but the options are endless. But now that we have these mockups, we really can play around with this as much as we want. So Amazon now has also been pushing video a lot. So on product listings, in ad formats, and on storefronts. So next we're actually going to talk about video, and Placeit fortunately also has you covered here, which is awesome. So adding a video to your product listing is super easy. You can see on this listing, for example, the video is going to show up under the images at the top of the product detail page, and then also further down on the page. And sometimes there's also going to be competitor video content there as well. So Amazon also launched video ad formats, which we mentioned a couple times in this video. And since this is still a relatively new format, there's still a lot of opportunity here, and a lot of sellers haven't really caught on to this. These videos are going to show up in search on both desktop and mobile. So it's a great way to showcase your product and take up a ton of space in search. So creating the video mockups is super similar to creating the image lifestyle mockup. So from the placeit.net website, go to the video dropdown, and then we can find the different mockup templates that are available. They're adding a lot more to the video content, but there's still a good amount in there right now. So then we can just use the filters as we did last time, upload your design, you can adjust it, resize it, whatever you need to do, and then just choose the color. But the nice thing with Placeit is you can do some customization, so we can actually change the audio or take audio off. I normally don't even add audio. And you can use the Placeit library for this, or actually add your own audio. And then you can string multiple clips together, so you can use multiple of the different mockups. Just one thing to remember is Amazon ads have requirements, so you can't be over 45 seconds with your videos. So I normally just use, again, 1 to 2 clips. And then once we're done, we download the file. It normally takes a couple minutes to actually process. So now that we have that video file, we can go back to Seller Central. From the inventory tab, there's an option to upload and manage your videos. We need to upload that video, just give it a title. It's gonna take a minute or two to actually process. And then we need to tell it what ASINs this video is associated with. And then finally, we can adjust or change the thumbnail. Once we submit this, it normally takes 24 hours or less. And this video is then gonna show up on the listings as we saw earlier. So now we can also go ahead and create sponsored video search ads. These are gonna, again, show up on both desktop and mobile. So from your ad console, you can go ahead and create a new campaign. You're gonna find the sponsored brands box here, and then video. Go ahead, name your campaign, give it a start and end date, budget, whatever you guys wanna do. I'm not gonna go into the details of PPC and ads because that's for tons and tons of separate videos. But here we can go ahead, choose the products we wanna target, upload our video. And again, guys, within 24 hours or so of this getting approved, it's gonna show up in search. So just like these examples, it's gonna start showing in search on both mobile and desktop. So again, this is the power of using Placeit, is we've created that one video, and now we can use it on our listing, on our storefront, and also here in PPC. So I will tell you guys, when it comes to PPC, I do recommend using Helium 10 to help with the keywords and product targets. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of my tips on how I'm using Placeit for my own print-on-demand business when I'm selling on Amazon Seller Central or even on the other platforms. So I know this is not always gonna be super realistic if you guys have hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands of designs. So what I'm personally doing is choosing my top selling designs and prioritizing those. I'm not gonna go waste all my time creating this stuff for things that don't really matter. But the nice thing is with Placeit, it's one tool, and essentially we can go ahead and create mockups that we can use for our listings, posts, storefront. We can take them to other platforms. So I also do this on Etsy and some of my other platforms as well. We created video, all of that stuff. So anyway, if you guys have comments, questions, concerns, any of that stuff, let me know down below in the comments. And otherwise, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about print-on-demand, e-commerce, or any other meaningful side hustles. So that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, wishing you the best.